Hi friends, in this video let us see today first sem Bcom environmental studies subject important questions chapter wise module 1 like ಈ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಓನ್ಲಿ 30 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. Let us see the first module of 2 marks questions. What is environmental study? Define the term environment study. State any two objectives of environment study. What is sustainability? What is sustainability development? This is the 2 marks. Next we have 5 marks questions. Briefly explain the multidisciplinary nature of environment study. Discuss the scope of environment study. Importance of environment study. State various objectives of environment study. Discuss the concept of sustainability and sustainable development. These are the some of the important questions of module 1. Let us see module 2 important questions of 2 marks. What is ecosystem? What is abiotic components? What is biotic components? What is forest ecosystem? What is grassland ecosystem? What is aquatic ecosystem? What is desert ecosystem? What is desertification? What is producer? What is floods? What is ecosystem diversity? What is desert ecosystem? Next we have 5 marks questions. ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ನೀವು ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ write the answers in briefly. Explain various functions of ecosystem. Discuss the energy flow in the ecosystem. Explain food chain and food web. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್ದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ವಿಜಿಲೇಟರ್ ಸಹ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಮೋರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಪೇಪರ್. Write a note on ecological section. Write a note on forest ecosystem or grassland or desert. Like ನೋಟ್ ಆನ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ನೋಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 3 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. What is renewable resources? What is non-renewable resources? What is land resources? What is land degradation? What is desertification? What is deforestation? What is soil erosion? What is forest resources? What is water resources? What is flood? What is drought? What is emerging resources? These are the 2 marks. Next we have 5 marks. Explain the renewable and non-renewable resources. Explain the land resources and land usage chain. Write a short note on land degradation. Write a short note on soil erosion. Explain the causes of deforestation, effects and control measures. What are the causes and consequences of deforestation? Explain the causes and impact of mining. Discuss the dam building on environment. Write a short note on overutilization of land surface and groundwater. Write a short note on flood and drought. Discuss about conflict over water. Explain the uses of alternative energy resources. Explain the growing energy resources. Explain the energy flows in an ecosystem. These are some of the important questions of module 3. Next, let us see the module 4 2 marks questions. Define biodiversity. Like various levels of biodiversity mentioned. Genetic diversity, species diversity, ecosystem diversity, meaning and all. Mention the hotspot of biodiversity. Inside conservation and outside conservation. What is food chain or food web? What is land degradation? What is national park? What is floods? These are the some of the 2 marks questions of module 4. Next we have 5 marks questions. What are the benefits of biodiversity? Explain various approaches of biodiversity. Economic values of biodiversity. Explain the values of biodiversity. Hotspot of biodiversity in India. Various threats of biodiversity. Explain inside conservation and exit to conservation in biodiversity. Short note on earthquake, cyclone, wildlife protection act. Like short note ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ earthquake, cyclone ಮತ್ತು wildlife protection act ಮೇಲೆ. Next we have module 5 2 marks questions. Give the meaning of environmental pollution. Give the meaning of air pollution. Give the meaning of water pollution. Give the meaning of soil pollution. Give the meaning of noise pollution. Give the meaning of waste management. Give the meaning of acid rain. These are the 2 marks questions. 5 marks question. Explain the causes of air, water, soil, noise pollution. Explain prevention measures of different types of pollution. ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂತ ಲೈಕ್ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಬ್ರೀಫ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಏರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ರೀಫಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನೇನು ತೊಗೊತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 6 2 marks questions. What is climate change? What is global warming? What is greenhouse gases? What is acid rain? What is ozone layer depletion? What is cycloproctile? What is wildlife conflicts in India? These are the 2 marks questions. Next we have 5 marks. Explain the effects of greenhouse gases or global warming. Explain the prevention and control of environment pollution. Explain major problems faced by the Indian tribes. Explain the causes of overpopulation. Explain human wildlife conflicts in Indian context, its causes. These are the 5 marks questions of module 6. Next we have module 7. A 5 marks question. Explain Apico movement and Chipko movement. Explain types of disaster. Explain Silent Valley movement. These are the 5 marks questions. Next we have 2 marks. What is Apico and Chipko movement? These are the some of the important questions of environmental studies subject, like 2 marks and 5 marks chapter wise. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ಲಿಂಕಿಂದ ನೀವು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಬೋದು.